Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a really practical item that can breathe new life into some classic hardware. The compatible AC adapter replacement for CanoScan 5000F, 5200F, 4200F, and 4400F scanners. Many of us have these older, reliable scanners sitting around, perfectly functional, but perhaps missing their original power supply. Or maybe the old one has just given up the ghost. This Dysead power supply cord aims to be the perfect solution for that very problem. One of the first things anyone considers when buying a replacement power adapter, especially for sensitive electronics, is safety. And on that front, this Dysead adapter really shines. It comes with international quality certification, assuring users that it meets top industry standards. This isn't just a generic claim. It means the product incorporates numerous safety mechanisms designed to protect both the adapter and, more importantly, your valuable scanner. We're talking about built-in protection against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and even internal overheating. These features are absolutely crucial, as they prevent potential damage to your scanner and ensure peace of mind during operation. It's a robust design focused on keeping your devices safe and extending their lifespan. Moving on to its performance, the input specifications are quite versatile. It accepts AC 100-240V at 5060 Hz, which means it's suitable for use in various regions around the world without needing a voltage converter. This broad compatibility is a huge plus for anyone who might travel or live in different countries. Furthermore, the adapter boasts high power exchange efficiency. What this translates to in practical terms is a more stable working environment for your scanner. High efficiency helps to control the working temperature of the adapter itself, preventing it from getting excessively hot, which in turn contributes to its longevity and reliable performance. A stable power supply is paramount for consistent scanning quality, ensuring your images come out crisp and clear every time. The connectivity is straightforward, utilizing a standard power line connection, making it a simple plug-and-play solution. It's designed to be a direct replacement, so there's no complicated setup involved. The manufacturer, Dysead, has also included a very important note: always make sure to choose the right device before purchasing. This emphasizes the need to double-check your specific CanoScan model number to ensure perfect compatibility with the 5000F, 5200F, 4200F, or 4400F. Getting the right adapter is key to avoiding any issues. In summary, if you own one of these classic CanoScan scanners and find yourself in need of a new power supply, this Dysead-compatible AC adapter presents itself as a highly reliable and safe option. Its focus on international safety standards, comprehensive protection features, and efficient, stable power delivery makes it an excellent choice to get your scanner up and running again, saving you the cost of a brand new unit. It's a testament to how a well-designed accessory can extend the life of your existing electronics.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.